Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to make a zoom and rotate transition in DaVinci Resolve, just like this. Okay, the first thing you want to do is add your clips to your timeline. Next thing, head up to Effects, up here. Go to Effects, find an adjustment clip. And you want to drag it onto the timeline. You want an adjustment clip for each one of your clips. So just like this. Alright. Next thing, you want to go and head into Fusion page. So you can right click or you can just click this little icon down here. Okay, so now that we're in the Fusion page, what you want to do is hit Shift and Space. You want to find Transform, and you want to find the one without the XF. You want to hit this one, and you just want to add it. So now after you've added your transform node, you want to go to the very end of your clip, and you want to go 5 frames back, or around 5 frames, 6 frames, whatever. And you want to keyframe rotate and zoom, and you want to go to the end of your clip. Your rotate, you're gonna hit the keyframe again. Your rotate, in my case, I'm gonna do a -90, okay? And then you wanna go down the edge behavior down here, where it says transparent, and you wanna change this to reflect. This way we don't have any borders showing. Now, hit back to your second keyframe, and you wanna zoom in a little bit, so like 1.3 usually works pretty good. And so now, it should look something like this. To make this look better, you wanna head up to Spline. Once you open your spline window, you will see you will have transform, zoom, and rotate out here. Just hit and zoom to fit. Now you want to highlight, let's just do one at a time. I'm just going to do zoom now. You want to highlight, you want to hit S, okay? And now you want to speed things up a little bit like this. And then you can hide the rotate over here and then check the zoom. Same thing, S. Just like this. This is probably too much. Something like this. Okay, so now we've done that. What you want to do is you want to add some motion blur to make it look even better. And our problem now is that the very last frame, you can see there's no motion blur at all. So what we need to change that is head up to spline and just highlight both of them. Just do this. Highlight both of them like this. Right click, and you want to do gradient extrapolation. So now at the very end of your clip, it's still gonna have motion blur. Okay, so now we're done with the first clip. You wanna go to your second adjustment clip, and you wanna go into the Fusion page once again. Here you wanna add the same transform, not the XF, but the other one. You wanna keyframe the beginning, you wanna keyframe rotate and zoom. You wanna go to the same frame as last time, or like around the same frame. Like this, like approximately 5 frames from the end of the clip. Now go back to the beginning. Because I did 90 or -90 on the last clip, I'm gonna do 90 this time. And on this, I'm sorry, I'm gonna do 2 on the zoom, or like between 2 and 3, and you want to do 90 on the rotate, so it rotates the other way. So now we have the, oh, we forgot to add the reflect. Next thing, because this is too slow. Next thing, you want to head up to spline. I'm just gonna do one at a time. You want to press zoom to fit, highlight, press S again, and just copy this curve. And you are going to do the same thing for the zoom. Now you want to add motion blur again to make it look better. And that's it. Now you got your zoom. I can't play it back in here because my computer won't do it with the motion blur on, but it's going to look like this. Thank you very much for watching.